Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. Real quickly before we dive into it, because today's job lead is really exciting. If you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I share them on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed if you never want to miss another upload. And if you want to put those applications in, the links are always in the YouTube description box below. But without wasting any more time, today's job lead is from the company Meta. Now, this used to be Facebook, but Mark Zuckerberg bought many other companies like Instagram, and so they have now rebranded, and instead of just calling themselves Facebook, they call themselves Meta. And Facebook, Instagram, all of the different companies that they own and operate do fall under this Meta heading. They are hiring an executive administrative partner. This is 100% remote work from home. Now, when you come to this page right here, it'll say Los Angeles, California. If you click on more options, it says remote US. But they are basically looking for an administrative partner to coordinate internal and external meetings for multiple executives. You'll manage hectic and complex calendars. You'll prepare expense reports and purchase requisitions. You'll coordinate both domestic and international travel arrangements for the executives. You'll organize space planning and large offsite events. You'll do any general office duties as needed, and you'll build relationships with different teams. So this is a non-phone administrative position. They do not require any college degree. Of course, they prefer a bachelor degree, but it is not required. The minimum qualifications is that you have 4 years or more experience providing some kind of administrative support. You have a 4 years of coordinating travel for executives. And again, on that, you've been an administrative support person before. You've managed calendars, and they want someone, of course, who has Microsoft Office and Google Suite experience. Now, if that is you, this job pays very, very well for an administrative position. The estimated salary is $46 an hour, plus bonus, plus equity, plus benefits. So on top of that $46 an hour, you have bonuses. Equity is more like stock options, and then you'll have the benefits, I assume the standard medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.